Good morning, everybody. Today is Thursday, April 30th, 2020. Hope you guys are doing wonderful today. Last day of April. Tomorrow will be May 1st. Man, we're cruising along this year, huh? All right. Today's message is to encourage others. So if someone seems like they are struggling or they're telling you they can't do it, then you tell them, yes, you can. Let's at least try it. Let's try. You know how I always say in the classroom, it's okay not to know, but it's not okay to not try. So you encourage those others, try to be positive, and sometimes it's very hard to do, even for adults. So sometimes you see someone struggle, maybe you offer a helping hand, or you just tell them they can do it. You know, you're good at this. You can do this. You got this. All right. Let's see. Weird but True 2 book today. Fun facts. Popsicles were invented by an 11-year-old. You guys can invent stuff too. I know you can. You guys all have great ideas. I hear them all the time. An ostrich can run as fast as a racehorse. Sharks have existed longer than trees. 1 teaspoon of seawater contains 5 million living organisms. 5 million in 1 teaspoon. Now, if you guys are doing that baking and measuring challenge, get out that teaspoon. Look how much water that is. And imagine 5 million living little organisms. Not to say that those are all bad at all, but 5 million living organisms. Oops, here's the picture. From about March 21st to September 23rd, the sun never sets at the North Pole. Must be hard to fall asleep up there, huh? All right, so the first extra credit question goes along with this. About how many days is that? You can give a rough estimate if you want to look at an actual calendar and try to count up, see how many days that really is, or just give a rough estimate. There's about, let's say, 30 days in a month. Let's see what you come up with. All right, today's task is like the rest of this week. Finish up any work you might have outstanding, fluency checks, quick quizzes, and the review test from our math workbook, the end of Unit 4. All right, I'll show you that on the board. Sorry about that, reflection of my light. Finish the review test, any quick quizzes, any fluency checks, and our morning message, encourage others. You can do it, you got this. Stay strong. All right, number 2, and that is the assignment for this week as well. Cooking/measurement task. Use any fractions to cook or create. And create meaning like building things. Take a picture of that, send it to me, and I will share it out with the rest of the classes just to kind of show off what kind of cool stuff you guys are working on and what kind of fun and yummy things you're making. And the last extra credit, number 3 here. Try this. Extra credit, try this. Use a ruler to measure and cut a piece of paper 8 1/4 inches long and another piece 3 3/4 inches long. Okay, so but be accurate. You know, get an adult to double check your measurements. In the world of building and making things, there's a saying that says measure twice, cut once. For us, measure maybe 3 or 4 times. You want to get it right. And that saying is just saying, hey, let's measure it right so we don't have to waste anything. And it feels good to get it the right kind of work done. All right, so and then how long are those pieces total? All right, send that picture of the 2 pieces and maybe compare it to the ruler. And you tell me, how long are they total? Take another picture, and at the end of the day, if my memory will work properly, I will send you the extra credit correct answers as I usually do. All right, that's it for today's message. Thursdays is a day in the afternoon if you need to pick up something material-wise or work-wise, maybe hard copies that you've requested from the school. Those are a day to do that. So I think those hours for you guys are 12 to 3, if that need be. Otherwise, you have a great day, enjoy, and let's get that sunshine to come back out. All right, guys, take care. Bye.